Okay, as we just mentioned in the slides, Nmap comes in two versions. One of them is command line, the other is graphical interface. The current distribution of Kali Linux contains both of them. So if you open a command line or terminal session, type in Nmap, you will have the help menu of Nmap right here. Now if you navigate here to applications to Kali and we go to information gathering and network scanner, we can find the graphical interface of Nmap. Now we are not going to use graphical interface for now, but instead we'll focus on the command line. I'm going to go scan a host with a regular Nmap scan. So Nmap 192.168.0.106, and then wait and see if Nmap is going to give me any result here. Okay, there I can see that Nmap is trying to ping the host, but no data is coming back because the host has a firewall to block ping ICMPs. However, even though the host is detected as up, all 1,000 scanned ports on this host are filtered. So none of the ports are responding and there is a MAC address, unknown system, unknown MAC address, but the host is detected as up. So let's try another scan here with Nmap. So let's go to Nmap. We'll specify the ping flag. We'll use 192.168.0.106. And notice the result is it's kind of cached, but it performed the scan again. So what's the difference here? Nmap did not try all 1,000 ports, so it was probing from one port to another until it got a result that the host is up. So let's try the second scan. We will define here -PT and specify port 80 and hit enter. We will see that the same result took 0.02 seconds. This time the host is up. So what is going on here? Nmap is not really interested in pinging, it just pings the host. It wants any information or response from the host to tell you that the host is up, any response at all. So here the host was sending back a reset or RST packet to reset or to drop the communication, which indicates that there is someone there on the other side, up and running and trying to reset those communication result network probes sent by Nmap.
hping is a command-line TCP/IP packet assembler analyzer developed for security auditing. It can also be used by network administrators to perform a regular network diagnosis. hping, like Nmap, is not only an ICMP tool, it supports TCP, UDP, raw packets, and it can trace, route, and IP as well. It also has a capability that you don't find in Nmap. It can send files between hosts in a covered channel. hping is available to use on Linux, Solaris, Mac, Windows, and BSD, free, open, and NetBSD.
Some of the hping features are, and there are many, firewall testing, advanced port scanning, network testing using different protocols, TOS, fragmentation, manual path MTU discovery, advanced, trace route under all the supported protocols, remote OS fingerprinting, remote uptime guessing, TCP IP stacks auditing, and many, many more. All right, so in the first command, hping initiates a regular ping scan which relies on sending and receiving ICMP packets. Usually all ping tools send ICMP echo or ICMP type 8 and should receive in normal situation ICMP echo _ reply or ICMP type 0. Notice that the command starts with hping 3 and not hping. hping requires that you specify the version used, so we have to put the 3 in there. In some cases, specifying -S or SYN, SYN, and -P80, port 80, can avoid a blocking firewall. However, it's not a rule as it depends on the firewall capabilities.